Are you ready to turn your aspirations into reality? Join me as we dive into the world of goal setting. This isn't just about checking boxes, it's about crafting a roadmap to your dreams and simplifying the process. So sit back, grab a notepad, and let's make those goals a reality. Number 1, define your goals. What are your dreams and why do these goals matter to you? If you are new to the goal setting journey, start with one goal. This will prevent you from feeling overwhelmed. Once you establish the process, you can increase your goals accordingly. Number 2, clarify your goals. I personally like the term simplify your goals. Make your goals clear, specific, and measurable. For instance, if you aim to enhance fitness, specify your objectives like running a certain distance or doing specific workouts per week. Number 3, break your goals down. Break larger goals into smaller, achievable steps. This helps create a clearer path to success and provides milestones to celebrate along the way. Number 4, create a plan. Outline actionable steps in a timeline. Having a plan increases accountability and provides a structured approach to achieving your goals. Number 5, encouragement and accountability. Ask for support. Finding a partner can help motivate you and provide gentle accountability. Regular check-ins can help you stay on track. Number 6, adjust along the way. Understand that your goals may need adjustment. Circumstances can change, and being flexible and adapting to new situations is crucial for staying on track. Number 7, celebrate your milestones. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements, even the small ones. It boosts confidence and motivation. Remember, every step brings you closer to your dreams. So, get excited, stay committed, and stay focused, and watch as your dreams materialize. Please join our supportive community and share your aspirations below. Let's champion each other's journeys together. Congratulations on taking the first step. I hope this video helps and is a guiding light to fulfilling your dreams.